Alpha and the Echo ramp and our request engine start. 7 Echo Alpha, start as approved, runway 10 in 07016, altimeter 3003. Starts approved, takeoff 10, 0716, 3003. And American 2219, continue taxiing on the runway, vacate now via Charlie for Alpha 2.
Okay, vacate on Charlie for Takeoff 2 American 2219.
Papa Tango, Lima Oscar Echo, give way to the Boeing 757, vacating the runway via taxiway Charlie, taxi to Alpha and hold short runway 10.
Taxiway Charlie and Alpha to holding point, runway 10, Papa Tango, Lima Oscar.
Papa Tango, Lima Oscar Echo, via the main ramp, taxi to holding point Alpha, give way to American, clearing the runway at Charlie.
Following the American via ramp and holding Alpha, holding point, runway 10, Papa Tango, Lima Oscar.
Correct. KLM 789, expect departure short.
Maarten, standing by, 789.
KLM 789er, after departure, right turn on course, runway 10, cleared for takeoff, wind 07014.
Roger, after departure, right turn on course, cleared for takeoff, runway 10, KLM 789.
15 miles south of Juliana, wind 06015, altimeter 3003.
Affirm, sir. Medevac flight, Papa Tango, Lima Oscar.
Roger, continue taxi to Alpha, expect clearance at Alpha.
Continue taxi to Alpha, Papa Tango, Lima Oscar.
And 247, go ahead. And Blackfin 247, heavy Airbus 330, departing Juliana at this time with a heading of correction, with a right turn, southwestbound. You can proceed inbound, join right downwind 10. 247, correct, you'll be following X-ray Alpha Alpha Romeo Kilo.
The speed 105, you can proceed direct to the passenger line, cross overhead the passenger line, level 70. Traffic making a right turn southwestbound is a heavy Airbus 332 out southwestly, standard for level 60.
Approach 12895.